Bonsoir.
Bonjour. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going onto Omegle and trying to see how many languages I can speak with people, and also what new things I can learn in new languages. Let's see it. Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿de dónde eres?
I can't speak Spanish, dude, to be honest.
Oh, what do you speak there?
It's called Kurgi. So I'm from the state called Karnataka. Have you heard of Bangalore?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, so I live in Bangalore.
Cool, man.
I can teach you how to say very nice.
Okay.
It's Dumba Chayund.
Domba cha.
5 hours later.
Okay, Dumba chai und.
Unde. Yeah.
Unda. Okay. How do you say thank you in Kodava Takk?
We just say thank you.
Oh, you just say thank you. Okay, I get it. I know it's kind of like that sometimes. Cool. Well,
So you want to say like see you?
yeah, sure.
like
Yeah.
see you? It's Kanga.
It was really nice to meet you.
Cool. Take your time, boy. Kanga ne.
All right, Ganga, Sasak. Bye.
Bye.
I'm from Italy.
Oh,
And you?
italiana. Io posso parlare un po'
Yes.
l'italiano.
Oh my god.
Mi piace Italia perché io ho un'amica di Italia.
Really?
Di Pesaro.
Oh my god.
Sì.
I'm from Torino. I don't speak English so good.
Io non posso parlare italiano molto bene. Questo è il mio canale di YouTube.
Ok. Ti seguirò.
Grazie, mil grazie. What's up?
Hola, buenas.
Hola, buenas. ¿De dónde eres? ¿Eres de España?
Sí, ¿y tú?
Yo de los Estados Unidos.
Ah, encantado.
Igualmente. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Te llamo Aidan. Qué bien hablas el español, ¿eh?
From Switzerland.
Oh, Switzerland.
Tell me a word and I will teach you.
Alright, cool.
Classic.
Classic is cool.
Yeah.
Whoa! Classic. That's it. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. What about hello?
Grazie.
Well, that's kind of hard. Grazie.
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 Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yes! Grazie. How do you say thank you?
Merci.
Oh, it's like French. Merci. Okay.
Yeah.
Merci. Grazie. Classic.
Yeah.
Yes!
You're good.
Nah. I speak Swiss. I'm fluent.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now I follow you.
Merci. Classic. Merci. It was really nice to meet you. Thanks so much. Merci.
Thank you.
I'm trying to get people to help me with German. Will you help me?
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so I know some things in German. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright.
Hit me.
Ich bin ein Fels.
You're a rock.
Yes!
Why you rock?
Because someone from Austria taught me how to say that.
Oh my god, I'm from Austria.
You're from Austria! Oh, cool!
You're welcome is like bitte.
Oh, bitte.
Or danke, you can say bitte.
Oh, okay, cool.
No
Okay.
problem, you're welcome, bitte.
Got you. Okay, cool. You're a good teacher. Up in a
Cool
month.
is cool.
Oh, cool is cool. Okay, that's very complicated. Dankeschön.
Bitte, kein Problem.
I'm from Singapore.
Whoa! Okay. 你是一个学生吗？
我是学生啊。
厉害。大学还是学校吗？
大学。
大学，厉害。我也。
Chinese really good.
就是我第4月在学中文。对。
啊，
你叫什么名字？
我的名字是伟林。
伟林。Oh, that's easy. Well, so 我很高兴认识你。我很喜欢中文。但是，谢谢。
谢谢你。
Bueno, bye bye.
Dutch.
Oh, Dutch. How do you say thanks?
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Yeah.
Dankjewel. Alright.
Dankjewel, yes.
Well, how do I say what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? That's it. So are you in the Netherlands?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
My name is Giel.
Cool.
Giel.
Giel.
Yeah.
How do I say goodbye in Dutch?
We got lots of them. We say like doei or later or yeah, that's it.
Okay. Doei later.
Yes.
Alright, cool.
See you.
Alright, nice to meet you, man. Thanks so much.
Brazil.
Oh, Brazil, Portuguese. How do you say cool? Cool.
Legal.
Legal.
Same thing like legal.
Oh, legal. Legal. Placer en conocer.
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Well, so it was awesome to meet you, man, and your English is so good. Keep practicing.
Thank you, thank you.
Keep
Yeah,
practicing.
good luck with Spanish and your channel.
Thanks, man. Marhaba.
Speak Arabic?
A little bit. I know. Marhaba, shukran, masalamat, kifak, la nam, habibi. That's it.
My friend is Sadiqi.
Sadiki, marhaba, Sadiki. Okay, cool. That's really cool. Shukran.
One.
I really like
Okay.
Arabic.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Masalamat.
Tengo. Bonsoir.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Okay, beautiful. What time is it?
Je ne sais pas.
Je ne peux pas carrer cats. S'il vous plaît, madame, je vais aller aux toilettes.
Je ne sais pas français. Je suis américain. Oui. Oh, that's pretty funny actually.